hey friend, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can find out how much inflation is affecting your money. Now, in order to do it, all you need to do is to just simply open any of the browser you have, open a fresh web page and search for use inflation calculator.com. It's usinflationcalculator.com. And once you go to this website, you can do the same steps from your smartphones as well. Now, once the site gets open, here you can see the current inflation rate, the core inflation rates, and the consumer price index. Now, all you need to do is just simply let just wait for the site to open first, and here you can see the core rates as well. Now this using this data you can directly calculate your money's inflation rate after some time, the savings you have. And yes, you can directly type the number of amount that you want to check the inflation for. uh, and here you can see the inflation rate will appear right in front of you once you hit the calculate button. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.